Hello. Welcome to Learn English with Matt. English conversation at the airport. Checking in. Hello. Good morning. I would like to check in from my flight to London.
Good morning. Sure. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag.
Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Okay. Is the weight all right?
Yes, it's within the limit. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I prefer a window seat, please.
All right. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate number is A12. Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you. What time does the flight depart?
The flight departs at 11:15 a.m. Please be at the gate at least 30 minutes before departure.
Sure. Where is the security check?
Go straight ahead and turn left. You will see the security area.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn English, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.